Introducing the Payhip Tips and Tricks free ebook, your fast track to setting up, selling, and scaling on Payhip. If you're ready to ship faster, sell more, and keep more, this free guide from Uberlytics gives you exactly what to do next.
Inside, you'll find 60 field-tested tactics organized into 11 clear sections: account and technical setup, store design and credibility, product and offer strategy, pricing, promotions and urgency, checkout and post-purchase to lift AOV, email and list growth, organic traffic and distribution, memberships, courses and coaching, analytics and optimization, affiliates and partnerships, and information architecture. Think of it as your step-by-step playbook for Payhip.
Here's a taste. Add a cross-sell right after Add to Cart. Pair your main product with a small, relevant add-on and keep the copy simple. This one change lifts average order value without buying any extra traffic, and your customers feel like they're getting a smarter bundle.
Another quick win. Publish a $0 lead magnet and connect it to your list. Deliver a helpful checklist or template, then follow up with a short welcome email that points to your paid offer. It's the easiest way to turn curious visitors into repeat customers.
Grab the full free ebook using the link in the description below. You'll get all 60 tips, each with the why, the how, and a pro tip, covering digital products, memberships, courses, and coaching. Download it now and use it as your checklist to level up Payhip this week.